What's up, you guys? I'm here again back with another tutorial, trying something new here. Thank you for coming again, and I'm here with you with a new Valentine's Day look since that's a season. By the way, I'm not a professional, so please don't come at me, okay? So if you actually like my Valentine's Day look, please give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, all of that, and keep on watching, okay? So here I'm starting off with my MAC paint pot in Line Low, just spreading that all over my eyelids. Just getting a nice base going. Here I'm just setting my eyeshadow base with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. So here I'm showing you guys the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place. I died. I love this palette. So I'm using Yamalie in that palette. I'm using it as my transition shade. Here I'm just blending it out, and now I'm going in BH palette. I don't know the shade of this, but it's the dark brown. So here I am taking that dark brown shade from my BH palette and just popping that in the outer corner of my eye just to get the color popping, get it more like a gradient. And the key is to blend, which I'm doing right here, you guys. So going back to the Juvia's palette, I'm using Bororo as a little shimmer, like at the base at my eyeshadow, and I'm just taking that and blending it. So here I'm going back to the BH Cosmetic palette, in between Bororo and BH Cosmetics, the dark brown shade. I'm just darkening it up and blend. Once I've finished blending, I basically taken the same paint pot palette and went in my brush and just put in a cut crease slash wing, and just trying to get that line straightened for my eyeshadow that I'm going to use on top. So just making that line perfect and cleaning up any errors that I see, because we do make errors, you guys. Okay, I didn't show you this palette, but I'm actually using my Makeup Geek the single eyeshadows that I got in this set in the color Daydreamer. It is a foil eyeshadow. I think this was so pretty. I thought the purple was good, but I saw that it wasn't matching what I wanted, so over that I put in the Spotlight, same foil eyeshadow from Makeup Geek, and I think that complemented way better. So after I'm done, now I'm just cleaning up and then putting my eyeliner. The eyeliner that I'm using is by Wet n Wild. It's in a paint pot, basically. Not the greatest, but I work with it. So as you can see, it's not as dark, so I basically use this drugstore eyeshadow that I have, and I like to use a black just to go over that, just to darken the eyeliner a little bit more, okay? Okay, now we are on to the face. Yay. Here I'm just going to use my sunscreen that I have, and I'm starting off with my BH foundation stick in amber, and I'm just using that as my highlighting. Then I use my MAC Pro Long foundation in NC50. So I'm just here, just blending my face, just making it all look perfect. So I'm just blending underneath my eyes. Now I am going to contour my face with my Anastasia Beverly Hills in Walnut Stick Foundation. I love ABH Cosmetics. They're the bomb.com. Here I am just setting that contour that I just did to my face with my Kat Von D pressed powder in Deep 75. It just give me a nice bronze look, and I'm just going in with that as well, just to contour the nose. You already know how snatched the nose game have to be. Now I'm showing you my MAC Studio Fix Perfect Powder in medium deep, and I use that to set my under eye and the rest of my face. I'm showing you my Carly Bible BH Cosmetic palette, and using those two shades I'm using to highlight my face. So going back to the eyes, I'm just using the previous shades that I used for my eyelid shadows and just putting that on the bottom of my lash line and making that look more even. Since it's a Valentine's Day look, I'm just showing you that I'm using some glitter that I got from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna like put that on top of the pink because I just felt like this needed just a little bit more oomph to the look. And yeah, sorry about the fallout, you guys. I have no glitter glue. I need to purchase some, so it is going everywhere. I swear I found some on my butt crack. Okay. So I finished off this look with some eyelashes that I put off camera and the blush that you saw me holding up, and that's the finished look.
No, my lips. No, for real, my lips can cut fucking paper.
So here's the final look, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it and actually stick around to the end to see me do this modeling pose. Look at you. Look at her. She thinks she cutie. But again, please, if you actually like this look, give it a thumbs up. Support your girl. I love if you subscribe. Tell your friends about me. Yeah, and thanks for watching.
lipstick, but when I was putting on this lipstick, Bumbleclot, my lips was telling all sorts of tea upon me. Said, oh, my lips dry now, blood seed. My lips are cracked. Let me tell you that. My lips are cracked. And my lips are dry. Okay? I'm putting on this lipstick, yo, and this shit, every freaking thing just flakes all over my lips. Yo. my lipstick was telling all my secrets how dry my lips are. You can't see